Prepare for CRE certification from American Society for Quality. Institute of Quality and Reliability announces Certified Reliability Engineer online workshop during 15th November to 10th December 2021. Workshop is based on body of knowledge specified by American Society for Quality. Visit us at www.world-class-quality.com. Average rating of 9.46 by 15 participants of August 20 CRE batch, with 9 of them giving rating of 10 out of 10. This workshop is ideal for all those who wish to get certified from American Society for Quality as Certified Reliability Engineer. Participants get access to 3 online simulated exams of 150 multiple choice questions and also certification to successful participants from Institute of Quality and Reliability. Course is online and therefore learn in safe and comfortable environment of your home. Highly qualified faculty members with total 13 ASQ certifications. Here is a convenient workshop schedule. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, that is 5 days a week. India time 6 to 9 p.m. Gulf time 4:30 to 7:30 p.m. and GMT 12:30 to 3:30 p.m. Note the dates: 15th November to 10th December 2021. So what are you waiting for? Register for the workshop. Link to download detailed brochure and registration form is given in the information.